Hey guys, today I'm going to be following a VideoStar editing tutorial for beginners, which is me, by Lara Jean. Let's get started. The first video I'm watching is Easy Spin Transition on VideoStar updated. Okay guys, so don't worry, I'm not lying. This is literally all me just testing VideoStar. So I'm actually not very good at it. And so let's get started. So I watched this video earlier and I did test it out, but I'm going to see if I can do it again. So I'm gonna go to the plus, the square, and I'm just gonna choose a random song. But I don't think it really matters because I don't want to. So now we need to work on setting start and setting end. So I'm just gonna make video. So now I'm gonna import my photo, and I'm going to crop it like that, and I'm going to make it shorter. So I'm gonna make it 28.28 seconds, and then import. So I have that, and then So now that I have my two photos, I'm gonna do the spin transition, and once again, this is by memory, like completely, I promise. So go to the first photo, and I'm gonna go to new, multi-layer, M1, edit keyframes, and so I'm going to go to all the way to the end, and go to the right, to like 20 or wherever you want, and then I'm going to make the path this, so it looks like this. Okay, so that's a little bland, but we're going to add mirror, which is like this, and what did I do? Okay, so it looks like this. Fix that. Okay, so next I'm going to create, and because I don't have the pro version done, I'm going to go to re-effect and make sure I'm on 1/2 X, and I'm going to go to the plus and search focus, and make sure that it's on this setting there in the corner. And then I'm going to put this arrow down, and you have to start at the bottom, and then as it goes up, draw it up. So press re. I kind of failed at that, but let's see how it turned out. Okay, now then for this part, I'm going to go to new, multi-layer, 1, press the image, edit keyframes, and I'm gonna go to the end and press the down arrow and start here, and I'm gonna go the opposite way, I think. Yes, so make it like 20 again, back, and then to mirror again. Create, and then re-effect, and the focus. What did I do? Okay, whatever. Now let's see how this came out. I might have actually finished it. Okay, that is actually pretty close. On to the next tutorial.